Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Oluwajoba and I'm so happy to have you. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and for sticking with me through this journey. Here is a quick before and after of the look we're going to be creating on the beautiful Aderonke. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoy it. So I'm just taking the hair up so it stays out of the way, and then I'm going in with the Got To Be spray just to hold it down and to secure it in place. Then going in with the hair grip to further lay the hair and ensure that it is flat while I continue the makeup. Moving on to the skin, I'm cleansing her face at the moment and then went ahead to tone and to moisturize her face so that her face is moisturized and ready for makeup. Then I went ahead to fill her brows really softly. Now I'm going ahead to conceal her brows and properly define them. I'm doing this really softly. I usually like to take my time so that there are no harsh lines and everything is just seamless. Now I'm going ahead to blend out the concealer onto her eyelids, and then I went ahead to apply the concealer and the base onto her eyelids in preparation for the eyeshadow that I'm going to apply. So the thing is that the look that we're going for today is really soft, no colors as much as possible. So every color that I use in this application are really close to her skin color. I'm using the Juvia's Place palette, the Nubian Coral, and I'm just going in, as you can see the eyeshadow colors that I'm using, I'm just going in with all these colors together until I get the particular shade that I want. So I just keep blending in and blending the colors in one after the other till I'm happy with the result. I used a darker shade here to contour the eyes so that it will give it some depth, and then I just went ahead to blend it in as much as possible. I'm fixing the lashes here really carefully, and then I went ahead to line her eyes. Now that the eyes are done, I'm going in with the ordinary primer. I'm applying it to places where she's most likely to produce more oil as she goes about her day. Then I went ahead with a liquid illuminator. This one is from Ellis Claire Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian brand and I really like the effect. This is Ronke just goofing around. I decided to leave this part because I don't know, it made me laugh and I felt maybe it would be a comic relief while you're watching this video. So I just went ahead to spray her face with the spray mist from TM Essentials, and then I'm going on to foundation application. Here I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation in, I believe it's Chard. I think it's the second I think it's not the darkest, but it's the one close to the darkest, and I'm just using it on her. And then I'm going ahead to apply the concealer under her eyes, nose, forehead, and her chin. Going in with a beauty blender, I'm gently blending the concealer out. Just take your time, like I always say. Blending is really key in makeup. Now I'm just using the powder to set the concealer that I initially blended into her skin. So I'm going on with the Zaron Oil Control Mineral Loose Powder. I'm going to use that to bake after setting the concealer with powder. Using the Maybelline Cacao Powder, I'm just going ahead to contour her face. I'm also using the same powder to further define her nose and connect them to the brow. Now using the Milani face powder, I'm dusting off the excess powder that I used in baking initially. I didn't want to allow the baking process to take long because I didn't want an extra matte finish, so not so long after I decided to just dust the excess powder off. Now I'm just setting her whole face with a face powder, and then I'll go in with the Makeup Revolution Fix Spray just to reduce any powdery effect that might have been on her face. And then I'm going in with the Ellis Clear highlighter palette. It's called Glow Up. I'm mixing it with another highlighter palette, I can't remember the name, and then I'm just mixing them together and applying them to the high point of her face. Going in with blush, I'm using the House of Tara blush. I really like this blush. It's really beautiful on dark skinned girls. Moving on to the lips, I'm going ahead to line her lips, and then I blended it a bit and then went ahead with the Milani Matte Innocence lipstick in 60 to fill her lips. It's a nude lipstick shade and I like it. So I'm using the brush to further blend in both the pencil color and the lipstick that I applied so that there are no harsh lines. Then I'm going in with a gloss from LA Girl to fill her lips. Now I'm just going into the brows again with the TM Essential Brow Tamer to brush out the brows and make sure that everything is in place. Now that the look is completed, I'm going ahead now to remove the band on her hair, and then I'm just cleaning off any white cast that the glue might have left on her hairline so that everything is clean. this is just water, is plain water in the spray bottle. So I'm just spraying her hair with the water, and then I went ahead with this big comb to comb it out. Here I'm applying the coiling enhancing smoothie that I have so that the curls bounce back, and then I went ahead with a conditioner, a coil conditioner as well. So I'm just styling the hair here, just styling it till I think it's, you know, okay and beautiful. I think it looks really nice here. The curls are back, and now I'm just spraying her face down with the Makeup Revolution Fix Spray. And here we have the final look. I really liked it. I hope you do. It's bare, like you can hardly see any color, but you can see that, you know, makeup has been done on her face. Her skin color remains the same. I didn't make her any lighter, or I didn't make her any darker. So thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate every support that you give me. Until next time, Jesus loves you.